Yes, so I greet all of you well. My people, I hail una. But one thing just surprised me right now. We be say, this topic when I want to talk about, as I get ready, say, I want to talk about this topic. Somebody come call me. Now it's okay, I want do something. She can't say yes, she won't quickly tell me something. Guest, exactly what I want to talk about. Now the person they call me, they discuss about. Waiting be the topic. Waiting I want to talk. About same men for Europe, America, for Asian, our black people, we they turn their wife to RIP. When all these things go stop, like when these things go stop, when all these things go stop to they go on. You can't be like say people they talk, things they happen, but people know they actually listen. Anyway, guys, before I go start to the talk, una know me now. In case na the first time when they come across my video with this, I beg, make una not forget to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, I say thank you. Make una not forget to press that like button, they share the video, and they leave your comment as well. And that bell, when they see the notification bell, make una not forget to press them, so that anytime when I put video, when you finish, you can always go back and watch my video. So thank you, my beautiful people. That our wifey brother say, let's regard. What carry me come today about our lovely sister. She's a mother. She was a wife. She be sister because how she be person picking. Now family, mama, papa, husband and wife now actually born that girl. When the husband turn RIP. It dey for my YouTube. In case if you never watch him, I go still put a picture there. Make una for see him. I supposed to don't talk about this video since. When I see him, when he turn RIP, time when they arrest the husband, I shockalize. The thing shock me. Say this kind of thing still they happen for this day and age. Men see they turn their wife to RIP. This thing still they happen. So the thing only surprise me. So the thing shocked me like a week. I not talk about them. Though I share the video, but I not really sit down, think and talk about them. What to make me talk about this woman matter today? About 4 days ago, now they put her for ground. They lay her to rest. Now, I can't ask myself, they don't lay this our sister to rest. Now, she don't go. She don't go rest. Police, they don't arrest this woman because na Italy, if it happen, they don't arrest the husband. The husband is for prison. And according to the information when me at the year say social don't pack the children. So when they don't let this woman to rest 4 days ago, I said now she don't go rest. I need to talk to our women out there. When it still did the same situation where this woman did before she turned RIP. Now, this woman, some of our friends go don't tell her, say, the way your husband they beat you like this, or the way this man they treat you, leave this man. She feels say no, because of what? My children. I need to do for my children. My children need to get papa. I no go fit comot for the husband house. Make I bear am. The man go change. Now, wetin go dey call for the woman mind? Wetin people go talk? Say, see am, Italy women no dey stay for my husband house. I beg, make I stay. Make I manage. You are wrong. My dear, you are very wrong. If you take because of that one, sit down for your husband house where the man they beat you every day because of what people go talk. Because maybe will not consider Italo women not they stay house. Because of your children, you are very wrong. The reason why I say you're wrong, if that man truly, sincerely love you from his mind, that man not go lay hand on you. That man not going to beat you. Now, this man, they beat you all the time. He go beat you, he go say sorry. He go buy you gift, he go apologize. Tomorrow again, he go beat you. He go say sorry. He go buy you gift, he go apologize, he go forgive him. Keep on like that. It will continue. And you see for your mind, say, this man love me. But why can't you answer yourself on the other way? Say, okay, why this man, they hurts me? Or why this man, they beats me? You know one live, you see they there. You go hospital, you go come back. Make you not forget, say, na the same Italy. Now one man, they beat you, with the man for staircase, with the woman get belly. She was about 6 or 7 months or 8 months pregnancy. Then, she fought for staircase at the end of the day. The woman turned RIP as well. Waiting at the try talk or waiting at the drive go. If you see, okay, for the beginning of a relationship, this man not be woman beater. This man not they beat you. And now, this man, he don't beat you. You don't live. You dey pray. You meet your pastor. Pastor say pray. As you come pray. You complain to family. The thing not stop. Please, use your sense to know, say, you have to leave him. You know what I'm talking? Probably, this man, they sick. He need help. Maybe they can get caskai. His brain not correct. You no know. Him no know. Because he still there. He still they apologize. You see they stay. You see the points where they go. What now they try to tell you, they say no to man bitter. Any man with they beat you, man, don't they beat you 1, 2, 3. I not think say that one I love. Make una stop to the pretend. And stop to they say God go change him. Because person when he gets psychiatric problem, God not go from heaven, God come out the psychiatric for his. Now God now he created those doctors as well. We be say if that man go for psychiatric hospital or you go hospital, they discover saying get colo for a brain. They go treat him and he go well. So when you they pray, make your husband change. You know, change. Try the other way. Or leave him. Sometimes marriage need break. You get as husband and wife would they go. Sometimes they need a break. If you both they say, then would the husband get break? When I go to say, our people would they laugh. Say, who shall I go? Yes, it they work. Sometimes husband and wife go take break. If that man don't they beat you so they, this one are Europe with this one. Past those days in Africa, for Nigeria, you will see men with they beat their wife, they pound their wife, their eye go swell up. A man go swell, all your body go full of mark. You go tell the woman, say, leave, this man go by me you. Come out to this man go tell you for RIP. And they talk of Nigeria or no. The woman go say, no go leave, because she not the work. These 3 or 4 children when you get, where you won't pack them go. He not get house. She not get anything. Who go take off she and the children? He go say she not go. That was in Africa, which is understandable. The woman not go come out. The woman go to the wife, they go to fight every day. And do you not forget that fight too, and they fight every day. Where those children they see, it's not good as well. It affects the children too. So if you stay for abusing relationship with the man they beat you, and you see they pray, please, my sister, Kayo, pack your bag, run before you go turn RIP. I don't want to call this platform again. Say one man don't turn your wife to RIP. If you know say your husband they beat you, waka come out, especially for Europe. I tell you now, say excuse where women they give for Nigeria, they say they not get where to go. They did until the mark made them. Then now you dey Europe. This woman, when he died now for Italy, she get 3 children, if I'm not mistaken. Now, they don't pack the children now. Where this woman, they don't lay her to rest. She did 6 feet. What did people talk? It's not better when you dey alive for people to talk, or when you don't die. People can't talk. Which one better pass? It's better you die alive, make people talk. Say you leave your husband. Or you move, come out, or something happen. People go talk, you go finish. Than say you dey bear and you dey pray until the man turn you to RIP, like this sister. with the husband turn to RIP. So my point today, my people, I no go waste on our time. I go make this video very short. Please, if you know say you dey home, with peace not dey. This man they beat you every day. Twice, 3 times a week. He dey abusive. He dey always dey put his hand on you. The man an animal. He head not correct. Pack your load, run, kayo. Before this man go turn una to RIP finish, e don too common for Europe. Plenty. If you don't know today, I go tell you. I know how many times I don't do video for you where men turn their wife to RIP. So I beg you, my people. If you know say you love yourself and you love your children and you love that same husband of yours. You get my 2 points. If you love your own self and you love your children and you love that your husband, the best thing for you to do now to quit that relationship with abusive day, because it's not even good for the children alone. For the children to see you and your husband they fight every day, it's not good for the children. First of all, it will cause something for them. That one for another day topic. So if you know say for this kind of relationship, your husband they beat you every day, please run, come out before the man go turn you to RIP. Because the reason why I say if you love the man now, the reason why I talk as if you love the man, love yourself and your children. Now, you don't dey 6 feet. You don't do RIP. The man don't dey prison. You see? End up all your life for prison. You see, say you personally not love the man. If you love the man, you leave the man. Because the man go end up for prison. You go end up as RIP. And your children will go end up for another family hand. So at the end of the day, what are you protecting? Where is the family you are protecting? That's why they say, if you dey for this kind of relationship, Kayo, run. Pack your bag, come out. Before the case matter will turn worse. Another thing when I want to point out, I will talk about threats. Our people know they take threats serious. No, they say nothing you fit do. Don't ever say that to anybody. If you like na small pikin they threaten you, take that matter very serious. Because according to the information we reach my hand, I say this man don't they threaten this woman, say, I go make you be RIP. If they talk and our people they fond of doing that. Now they take threat serious. As from today, I bet make una share this video. Anybody when they threaten you, if na God you dey serve, begin serve that God where we put your 2 knees for ground. They leave, make that person, that threat, that promise we make it not come triumph for you. Make it not come to pass. But even as small picking of 6 years threatening you, say, I go deal with you or I go show you. You personally, when they talk say not do anything, please. If you dey for that kind of person where they look threat like nothing, stop it. Threat is nothing. Before somebody go open a mouth threatening you, that means that person is capable to do that thing. I cannot forget the one when it happened for America. The husband look into his brother's face. Tell her, say, if I not make your sister turn RIP, you know, say my name not be passed. So. Now remember, sorry. At the end of the day, less than 24 hours, this man actually make his wife turn RIP. So if you did for that kind of position, somebody they threaten you, do being small picking adults, never take threat to be nothing. If somebody threaten you, report the case immediately. Take action for that threat. No, they look threats, say na nothing. Especially if somebody say you know if you do anything. Don't ever tell person say you know if you do anything. That person when he's small, it is enough to do anything, he can do wonder. You know, so they say to spoil something, no, they had not to repair, now they had. If somebody want to destroy you right now, he will go to any extent to destroy you down. Within 1 minute or 2 minutes, when he did online or something, it don't destroy you. But to repair something, it will take 20 years. The thing never get. So that threat, where that husband, they tell him, they threaten and say, I go make you turn RIP. The woman not taken like anything. Because of our beliefs, I beg you not to do anything. Wait till you feel, do not let person threaten you and go through like that. Oh, your threat, very serious. If somebody threatening you, look into that matter well. Before somebody take him out, tell you, say, I go deal with you. You go make sure, say, he go look into your eyes and he go make sure, say, that thing when he tell you, in do one. So if somebody they threaten you, take that matter serious. Make around they joke with threats. Yes, not the joke with threats. I'll round up this video. In case if you never watch the video, go to my YouTube now. You will see him. Or I could put the picture. When I finish talking now, I go post and put for my this in my wall. So you can see, and I go put link as well for you to go see by yourself. They don't lay the woman to rest. May as to so rest in peace. The life which they come again, may she not meet husband beater. May God protect his soul. I believe say she did for heaven right now. They watch. They see all of us. But if she take action quick, the matter what they talk today, we for not they talk. So please, my sisters, if you know say you did for that kind of situation right now, find a way. Talk to somebody. Come out. If you not talk your problem, you know we'll get help. Always come out and talk. Don't ever keep things to yourself and say somebody go laugh you. Person when they laugh, better pass person when it turn RIP. I go prefer you to laugh me than my enemy go turn RIP. I go tell you my problem. If you get help, you feel help me. If you don't get them, I tell somebody else can sort her. Feel help me. I prefer on that way than the person talk and RIP. Una know how they do it here now. I still remember una only one at that universe. We not dey two, we not dey double. I love you guys. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. Not forget to press the like button. I will see you next time, which is tomorrow 6 o'clock on live YouTube. Thank you, my people. Bye.